Hello. This is quick tutorial on how to use prestigious solution Multiboard Model Light Plus. So, first overview. At the front you have available two USB ports 3.0, also USB-C port that enables you to transfer video from connected devices to the multiboard. It provides power for delivery for your laptop of 65 watts, and it also provides touch functionality from multiboard to your laptop, so you can control your laptop using multiboard. Then we have two speakers, also a built-in subwoofer. Here you have NFC card reader. On this side you have a power button, and behind the power button you have a special button to turn off camera and microphones. At the top you have 8 speakers, the 8 microphones with noise cancellation, also built-in camera for video conferencing and recording. So, on the left or on the right side of the multiboard, you can access quick settings. First is back, second is home to bring you back to the initial screen. Third is input, where you can select OPS with Windows or USB Type-C or HDMI. Fourth option is to bring down the screen to provide access for mostly children to access upper side of the screen, and then with one click you can bring it up. Fourth are small applications. Here you can make the volume louder or quieter. You can adjust the lighting. You can start apps like stopper, screen recording, voting, calculator. You can turn on eye protection to eliminate most of the blue light. You can also start countdown for some dates, and you can add shortcuts to apps you commonly use that are selected here. You can also add new application by sideloading the APK file. Next option are settings. So, first one is communication settings. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also start hotspot for the multiboard, which is used, for example, if you don't have Wi-Fi and you want to connect to the multiboard to share the screen, or you have guests coming, or basically someone who doesn't have password to your Wi-Fi. They can also join these networks to wirelessly share the screen of their devices to the multiboard. You can adjust your input microphones. You can change them. You can check what camera are connected. You can also here turn off and on the cameras and the microphone. You can change some themes. You can change the date, change the language. Out of 18 we are currently supporting. You can change power parameters, when the screen needs to be off, if it should go off, or any other possibility. Here you can also add your NFC card to lock the screen. To do that, you need to check NFC password, then you need to click on the plus, you need to scan your card. Now it's added. Next time you will turn off multiboard and turn it on again, it will require for someone to log in using their card. Advanced settings for blocking the multiboard using remote, and some information where you can check the name, the model, resolution, and Android version. The next button is to make quick annotations. So right now, anything that is displayed on the multiboard can be annotated. You can draw, you can then share it, or by saving it and sending an email or uploading it to the cloud, or you can check our functionality of QR code sharing. Now everyone who has a device capable of scanning QR code can download the screenshot of the multiboard as is. It doesn't require them to be in the same Wi-Fi. And the next button is to access applications that previously were running and now are running in the background. Or you can erase them all in one go. So, first application we'll talk about is S-Write. It's a basic app that allows you to basically draw. You can write with a pen, you can write with double-sided pen like this one. So in that case, you can use the thinner part to select one color and then the thicker part to select another color. Now, if I draw with the thin one, it will be yellow, and if I draw with the thick one, it will be red. By checking one finger managing, let's say, you can use pinch to zoom in, you can pinch to zoom out, or you can move anything that's on the board, because you can also import pictures in here. If you select multiple fingers control, then you can draw with up to 40 touches. You can also select a picture or the drawing. You can make it smaller, you can copy it, you can delete it. You can also, as discussed, import the photo from internal memory. You can split the screen into half, into 3 parts, or into 4 parts, quarters. And of course, you can also draw some circles, triangles, whatever is needed. You can undo and redo all the changes. Of course, you can also use the share function to provide QR code to your guests, or by clicking those 3 lines, you can save the file, or you can import some other file. You can quit the app, or you can change the background if necessary, or for different colors, or for some different patterns to make it fun, or to use some specific use case like so. You can also add backgrounds if you want. Of course, you can save it to open later. Second application is the Keyshare. This is our application that was specifically designed to basically do cooperation, share your files from the PC, Android, iOS. To do this, first of all, you need to be, or everyone needs to be in the same network, or as discussed, you can start the hotspot with password for your guests or your pupils to join this Wi-Fi. Please remember to activate the hotspot. And now, on selected device, you need to or visit this link or scan the QR code and download this application. After starting this application on Windows or Android, you will immediately see the list of available devices. So, after clicking unselected. You can press start. And as you can see, my laptop is mirrored to the multi. You can do the same on the phone, Android phone in that case. And the same. You can select the device you want, and you can start the screen share. You can make annotations with this application to show to participant what is important. From the multiboard side, you can also select who's displaying their screen and not, and how display should be divided, main part and smaller part, or equal parts. You can transfer a video from your phone. You can transfer pictures. You can reverse control the multiboard from your device. In that case, for example, close this window. You can use your phone as a remote control, and the same goes to laptop. So, or you can share it from the laptop, or you can mirror multiboard to your laptop. This application enables you also to share documents. Next option is file browser, where you can access internal memory of the multiboard. Another application is, of course, web browser, Chrome or Chromium. Chromium is used to download APK files to sideload them to the multiboard. You can configure your cloud by adding Google account or OneDrive account. You can add NFC cards to start selected application. The same, you need to scan your card, select applications, and it's done. You can also access camera to take photos. You can change the quality, or you can record the video. You can configure your email according to your needs. As we already discussed, OpenOffice is part of our benefits for our customers. This allows you to open, edit, and share Office, Excel, and PDF and PPTX files. It's full premium license for the lifetime. If you can see ads or trial period in here, this means that your multiboard was not set up correctly. In that case, please contact us through our web or through email so we can provide help. As discussed, you can open the files, you can read them, you can also edit them, just as in regular Office. Then you can also save the file and share it. Going back, you can also change Excel files. So this is an example. For example, here we can add some numbers, and it will affect the file. You can, as usual in Excel, do some changes, import some stuff, change the format, change the structure, then you can save it as XLSX, XLS, or CSV file, and share it. Another application that's available for 1 year for free is Mosaic 3D and Mozart. This is educational software that's beyond the scope of this video. It requires additional training. So if you are interested, please contact us. We will tell you how to use it. But just to be quick, this is the most important and great part of this software is 3D models. Using this software, you can show to your pupils amazing animations, like let's start with Acropolis in Greece. And now we can see. So we can change some options, like to show where it is in Athens city. You can start time travel to show how it is right now and how it was in the past. You can turn on animation to provide
W miastach państwa starożytnej Grecji Akropola zajmowały szczególne miejsce.
You can change the language.
Były w centrum Polisu.
English.
The Acropolises occupied a significant position in the antique Greek city-states.
German, French,
These citadels were constructed in the center
Arabic,
of the polis at a location.
Chinese, Japanese,
لقد شغلت الأكروبوليسات أماكن بارزة في الحوارات المدنية اليونانية القديمة. شُهِدت للطلاع في مركز المدينة، حيث تم بناؤها في أماكن محمية بشكل جيد.
The Acropolises occupied a significant position in the antique Greek city-state.
You are allowed to walk in this historical place, looking around, just to bring up the children's imagination that will use it. You have also quizzes to have more engagement from your students. So this is the quick way to show you Prestigio Multiboard. I hope it will be helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your local representative, or you can find me on LinkedIn. My name is Pawel Malinowski, and thank you very much.